This is gonna go terribly. I'm so excited. What's up, baby? It's your girl, Penny Savage. Welcome back to my little channel. Today, we are going to cut my hair. I'm so excited. Whew. So I'll be using my dude's clippers because I don't have any, and I haven't had any in a long time. These are Conair Man. I don't know anything about these, but I will link them in the description. I'm using my hand mirror from the Dollar Tree and my son's brush because his is softer than mine, so I'm gonna use his. I'm also gonna be using this grease that my mommy got me from Dollar Tree. It's called the Softy Coconut Oil Blend Hair and Scalp Conditioner. And I really like using that after I get my hair cut because it's super moisturizing. It makes my hair look so shiny. And it also helps it to lay down because, you know, I wrap my hair at night when it's straight. And there's no way to really stop this part of my hair from just swishing around back there. It never looks laid down until I brush it down with that grease. Let's jump right in, boo. So I kind of feel like I didn't take enough length off the first time, so I'm gonna go, I brought the guards down another notch all the way to the lowest setting, and I guess that would be number 1, but I took it all the way down, and now we're gonna go over it again because I feel like it's still a good bit of length back there. All right, so that took about the bulk of it off. Now I'm just gonna brush all this super itchy hair off and try to line it up. This is where the real fun is. It's gonna be jacked up. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, now I'm just gonna line it up, knock them kitchens out back there. At least I hope I'm gonna line it up and knock them kitchens out back there. I'm actually glad that I'm doing this instead of letting my barber do it because his clippers are so sharp. Every single time he cuts my hair in the back here, I'm not used to getting my hair cut, so my skin is not tough, okay, like dudes. So every time he lines me up and then put all the designs in my head, I get cut and it hurts. And then he goes smacking alcohol back there. Ugh, rude, rude. I'm just gonna try this with my left hand. You know what? I'm feeling bold. I'm gonna throw some lines in it. What's the worst that could happen? Nope. No. You need to be able to see to put designs in your head. I'm gonna try with my glasses on. Oh man, I can see so much better. See, this is why I wear these. Hey. What did I do? You can't even see that I did anything back there. You know what? I'm not even going. No. But yeah, so I did it. That was a wild ride, child. It didn't take long, but man, it felt like a super long time. It was so stressful. So that's it, we did it. Kind of. I tried to put some designs in it, but that didn't work, and I'm not mad about it. It's okay. As long as it doesn't look like it did, we're okay. So let me know if you want to see how I style my hair with this undercut. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like me, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.